Come with me as I rescue this giant Monstera adansonii plant. One day I was walking around our neighborhood and I've noticed this plant outside our neighbor's house. And I asked them if it's okay and can I adopt the plant. They willingly give me the plant and they were so generous and I'm so happy. Now the plant is with me and I'm just checking it out for anything that it needs. I've noticed that it has some leaf damages. It might have some spider mites, and some of them are burned from being outside of the house. And it is on this big pole here, and it has lots of roots already. So I've decided to first give hydrogen peroxide treatment on the plant. It will kill all the germs on the soil or any pests outside of it. It's just a general cleaning material. You can also spray this around the leaves if you want. And after I saturated it with hydrogen peroxide, I left it on its own to adjust for about 24 hours before I decided that there's nothing I can do and just restart this plant. It actually has some of those creeping things. They are running away from the hydrogen peroxide. And it also has two small avocado seedlings on it. So we also planted that on our garden. But after seeing this, that's the moment I've decided na talagang i-propagate ko na talaga itong plant na ito. So this is it. The next day, it was actually looking better. Na it's out of the sun and it is given some treatments. But I am really decided to really just give this plant a restart. So this is us trying to repot it, and let's see what's going on inside the roots. I'm just using a trapal that we had for our bazaar, and this is it outside the pot already. Medyo black na yung roots niya, and sobrang root bound siya. Parang masyado nang maliit yung pot niya para sa kanya. Kaya ayan, talagang naka-gloves ako nito at iriripat na natin siya. Tanggalin muna natin yung avocado seedlings and i-uncoil natin itong parang rotted na roots ng ating adansonii plant. So after that, I was able to uncoil it and this is how it looks like. And we are going to give this plant a new start. Ayan. I'm just gonna trim the black roots para mabigyan siya ng bagong buhay. Ayun. And ayan, tingnan natin ang magiging katapusan. So this is it. Once I have already chopped the plants, this is the pinaka first chop, yung pinaka roots niya. And yung stem, inano ko rin siya, binigyan ko rin siya ng another chop, at may kasama ding mga leaves na i-propagate. And meron tayo sa maliliit na black soil na lalagyan. I just made a mix for them. Ayan yung mga leaves. Kada leaves, may potential siya na maging bagong plant at lahat ng mga cuttings. Ayan. So, sobrang daming cuttings nating na-produce. May top cut tayo, may bottom cut, and meron din tayong maraming, ito yung top cut niya, and meron tayong maraming nagawang mga wet sticks. This is it after a few months already. Sobrang tagal niya bago tumubo ng bagong leaf, yung mga wet sticks. Kasi nga naman, summer season nung kinat ko ito. So usually, summer season, yun yung season na parang winter sa ibang bansa. Dito sa Pinas na hindi masyado nag-grow yung mga plants kasi sobrang init. Pero pag rainy season, ngayon na rainy season na yun, mas mabilis silang tumubo. Ito rin yung ibang leaves. Meron din tayong ibang giant adansonii na nakuha sa ibang donations. Pero ayan, may bago na siyang sibol. At tuwan-tuwa naman ako dyan. Siguro meron akong 5 giant adansonii cuttings na ginawa. At ito na nga, may mga bagong leaves na sila. na may mga bago na sila. Though yung kanyang original leaf is patay na patay na. Ito naman ang update ng ating bottom cut doon sa pinaka monstera na ating rescue. May tumubo ng mahabang bahay na ganyan. So sobrang nakakatuwa lang at talaga namang hindi siya nag-give up